Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions living in your new strength. It is me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Monday. I am here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Okay, so it's Monday. We have a 3-layer cake: routines, basic weekly plan, and zone. Our basic weekly plan today is our weekly home blessing hour, and we're going to get it done together. And then the last thing is our zone. We're in zone 5 this whole week, the living room. Okay, so what I'd like you to do first is determine what 4 jobs you want to do in your living room this week, unless it is cluttered. If there is clutter and you haven't been able to ebb the tide, to staunch the flow, then I want you to really buckle down on your clutter checks, because that will stop that clutter from reoccurring, and also to complete the process when you do something. All right, so if you have to declutter for 15 minutes, 4 days this week. Afterwards, you're going to complete the process by putting away, throwing away, and giving away the items that you've collected in those 3 categories. However, if you are going to deep clean, I want you to pick 4 things to do in there that have been bugging you or that you haven't done in a while. Write them in your planner. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Write 1 for every day. So that, let's say Monday you clean the baseboards, Tuesday you vacuum under the couch, Wednesday you clean under the couch cushions, and Thursday you wash the slip covers. I'm just saying, you can pick anything you want, but Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Pick 4 things. Tuesday is your free day, Saturday is your family fun day, Sunday is Renew Your Spirit Day. You will not be doing those things on those days. Okay. Now, let's talk about our weekly home blessing hour. Let's get into it. So you've done your morning routine, you've gotten yourself together, your bed's made, the kitchen looks good, the dishes have been put away, the kids have been up now and have gone through their routines, so the bathroom's tidy, everybody's dressed, everybody's fed, you're ready to go. So you're going to work on your weekly home blessing hour. If you have children and they are between 4 and 9 years old, they can do some of the tinier things in little jobs. Let them get in the mindset. If they're between a really strong 8-year-old or 9 or older, they can totally split these jobs with you and do half of them while you do half of them, or more if you have more children that are older. All right, so here are the 6 jobs. Strip your bed. Put the sheets in the washer. That'll be your laundry for the day. Get it going, or one of your laundry loads if you have to do more than one. Keep your ear out so you can put it in the dryer and put the sheets back on the bed later. Just let your bed air out. The kids can strip their beds too. That's a job for them. And later, if they're 9 or older, they can probably put their sheets back on. Other than that, you're going to have to help them. All right, so that's one job. Second job is you're going to dust your whole house in less than 10 minutes, or allow one of your children to do that. Remember, you're not moving things, you're not deep cleaning, you're just fluffing around. Third thing, we're going to wipe the spots off all the glass. That means toothpaste spots off the mirrors, fingerprint smudges off the mirrors and glass. Maybe the tabletop has some rings on it. Maybe the sliding glass door has some nose prints or little fingerprints on it. So that's the kind of thing we're going to do. We're not cleaning our windows today. That's not what this means. This means just wiping the parts that are messy. So you're not Windexing the whole thing. You're just wiping the parts that are messy. I recommend a microfiber towel, a wet one and a dry one. If you just have one, wet one end and leave the other tail end dry. Wipe, turn it around, dry. Easy peasy. All right, even little kitties can do that. 3-year-old, 4-year-olds, well, 4 or 5-year-olds could do that. It depends on yours, but my grandchildren could do that when they were that age. Okay, next is we're going to, let's see, we've done our sheets, we've done the dusting, we've done the spots off the glass. Next, we're going to empty the garbage cans. If you have liners in them, that's an easy job for children to grab the garbage bag and bring it to you so you can tie it up and put it in the big garbage. And then you can go around, or they can go around and put new liners in. That's another job that we've done. So now that's 4. The 5th and 6th jobs require a 9-year-old's body strength and fine motor skills and major motor skills. So that would be vacuuming and or dust mopping and mopping. Now, I always would choose to do those for myself until the kids were older and stronger, but remember that you're only doing things in the traffic patterns. We're not deep cleaning. Get that out of your head. All right, once you're done, you're done. If you were able to divide and conquer, you got it done in 30 minutes. Now, if you're a fly baby who works you're going to think about delegating these things to your children who are at home for the summer. One thing a day. They can double up on it. Both of them can empty the garbages. Both of them can wipe the spots. Both of them can strip their bed. Both of them can mop the floor, whatever. 9 or older can do those things. Is there anything else? That's it. So I hope you get that done today. If you choose not to delegate, then you'll be doing the whole hour yourself, and that's perfectly all right. At the end, you will be glowing. You will be glowing. You'll be looking good, and so will your house. If you choose to split this up over a 5 or 6 day period, then there is one thing a day that's going to happen even on your free day, okay? So for the people who are at work, I would delegate it, and I would not have to do it when I came home. I would check it. But if you don't delegate it or don't have one to delegate to, then I recommend that you do it while your food is holding on the stove. Go do that 10-minute little job, and then also work in your zone for 10 minutes, okay? That's if you don't have to declutter, 15 if you have to declutter. That's it for today. Then when we're done, we're going to do our after dinner routine. And after the after dinner routine, which is a family affair, we're going to go and take care of the before bed routine for the children and the before bed routine for yourself. So for yourself, remember, you're checking your planner, you're seeing what's for dinner tomorrow night, you're taking it out of the freezer if you need to, or putting out the crock pot or the Instapot or the air fryer, whatever it is, so you don't forget that that's what you're doing for dinner. It's in your book. You can't forget, really. And then you're going to see if there's anything that you need to lay out special clothes for. Just know what you're doing tomorrow so that you have the right things ready to go, and what day it is tomorrow. Tomorrow is your free day, so yay. But you might have something at work where you need to wear a suit. You know, look and see. You don't want to be embarrassed because you failed to plan. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bath, wash our face, clean our hair, brush our hair, put on our pajamas, hang our clothes up if they're clean, put them in the dirty clothes if they're dirty, put our jewelry away, lay out our clothes for tomorrow, and then at the end of the day, close the blinds, close the curtains, turn on the lights or off the lights, whatever you want. Make sure you run your dishwasher and that your sink has been washed out and dried. You don't have to kill yourself. It's not a hard elbow grease kind of thing. It just spritz it, wipe it with the old towel, put out a new towel. Tomorrow morning, everything's going to look awesome. That's it for today. Have a fabulous day. Always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.